Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Online for Contractor 1099 Prep, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks Online for Contractor 1099 preparation, start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Accountant Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, select the Billing and Subscription tab. Locate your subscription details and confirm that you have access to the right version that includes 1099 capabilities. Next, return to the main dashboard and click on the Taxes tab in the left navigation pane. Select 1099 from the drop-down options presented. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process for 1099s. You will be prompted to verify your business information. Ensure that your business name and address are correct, then click Next. QuickBooks will now guide you through specifying the type of payments you make to contractors. Select the appropriate payment categories from the list provided. If you need to add contractors, click on Add Contractor to input their details. Fill in the necessary information for each contractor, including name, email, and tax identification number. After entering the contractor details, click Save. Once all contractors are added, review the payment information to ensure accuracy. To finalize the setup, click on Prepare 1099s to start processing the forms. You will be directed to a section where you can review and validate contract payments. If everything looks correct, select the Submit button to generate the 1099 forms. Finally, choose how you want to send the 1099 forms, either electronically or by printing them for mail. With these steps complete, you have successfully activated QuickBooks Online for Contractor 1099 preparation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.